Hello everybody, this is XPod 2011, here to bring you a adventure map by Rage. If you don't know who they are, then you should go check them out. Their channel link will be in the description, but here is his portal. As you can see, the pigs spawn and dumbly walk into that pit of water, which they get burned to death. Which their meat and stuff falls down here. Which their meat and yummy stuff falls down here. Sorry about the little jump cut, I had to switch something. But yes, this is Rage's adventure map, so if you'd like to have it, I will put a link in the description. This is just a short video to keep you guys updated and all that stuff. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is XPod 2011 signing out. Goodbye.